Hi there! Here's a teaser of your tailored lesson plan as a German speaker. As a preview, we've selected our top 5 challenge sounds. Your course is extensive and will include more than these, but these will give you a rough idea of what you'll be learning and why. Let's listen to them right now. Here's a clip of German actor Matthias Schweighöfer in an interview in 2021. As you listen to him speak, I want you to pay attention to 3 words: sorry, there, and lanes. Let's watch.
It was like, because, and for me it was always cool, even for me it was cool. I'm sorry to say that, but every day was like, oh my God, there are these yellow lanes. I just knew that from films, these yellow.
Let's dig into that. Challenge sound number 1 is what pronunciation to use for an O spelling. In the word sorry, Matthias pronounces the O spelling as O, sorry. But this word is pronounced by American English speakers with an A, sorry. There is no consistent rule that correlates spelling to pronunciation. It must be memorized. In your course, there will be lessons that train your ear to differentiate between vowels so that you can identify and recreate them accurately in the correct place. Sounds like fun, no? Challenge sound number 2 is the one made in TH spellings. In his use of the word there, you can hear that Matthias uses a D sound, there. Now, a majority of English speakers will use th, so it sounds like there. Don't worry, there'll be a lesson dedicated to this sound in your course. This sound will be a big point to focus on and will make your pronunciation that much clearer to an English-speaking audience. Challenge sound number 3 is applying z. You can hear in Matthias's pronunciation that he uses s at the end of words like lanes. It's the same sound he uses at the end of the word films. However, in English pronunciation, many words that end in an S spelling are pronounced as z. In this course, you'll learn the rules that govern this pronunciation and take your English to the next level with pronunciations like lanes and films. Now, let's listen to another speaker. This is Romanian-German actress Alexandra Maria Lara. As you listen, pay attention to just 2 words, Skype and love. Let's watch.
I didn't audition for the film. I had a Skype conversation with Ron, which was very funny, but he made me feel good. I was very nervous to begin with, and then he made me feel very good after 5 minutes. And I just love, he's...
Now, why are these words key? Well, challenge sound number 4 is the pronunciation of I, and more broadly of diphthongs, which are slides between 2 vowel sounds. For the word Skype, Alexandra slides from A to I, so I, Skype. Most American English speakers use the slide from A to I, so I, Skype. The difference is subtle, but as you'll learn, it can make a huge impact on your clarity in English. Skype, Skype. Can you hear the difference? Being able to hear the difference between these sounds is called phonemic awareness. If you don't hear a strong difference, that's okay too. If your brain has never needed to differentiate between these sounds, then as a result, it doesn't prioritize their distinction. This course has been designed to increase your phonemic awareness. Our lessons will train your body to first feel the difference between the sounds, so that your ear gains the ability to hear the difference. Finally, challenge sound number 5 is the v sound. You can hear in the final part of the word love that Alexandra is using a f sound for love. Most Americans would pronounce that as love. And you will have a lesson dedicated to the creation of the v sound and when to apply it. There's a lot of ground to cover, and it may at times feel daunting. However, I'm here to assure you that you can make these changes. Learning a new accent is a long process and demands patience and determined practice. Today, you have taken the most important step in that process, the first one. So let's get started.